Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to import bookmarks from Brave to Google Chrome browser. First, go to your Brave browser and click on the three horizontal line and go to Bookmark and List. Go to Bookmark Manager and click on the three dot icon on the top right. Click on Export Bookmarks. Select a destination like in Documents and click on Save. Now go back to your Chrome browser and click on the three dot and go to Bookmark and List and go to Import Bookmark and Settings. Select Bookmark HTML file and click on Choose File. Go to the downloaded. Go on Bookmarks, click on Open, and click on Done. As you can see, the bookmarks from the Brave browser has been successfully added to the Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our next DelftStack tutorial videos.